This is the second video of 7 in our video series where we're going to take you on a tour of the watershed and show you some of the cool things the KWRC team does to keep our waters healthy and clean.
The Kennebecasis watershed is located in southern New Brunswick with the town of Sussex located at its center. Can you find where you live on the map? So what is a watershed? Do you know? Is it a shed to hold water? No, it's much bigger than that. A watershed is a word used to describe an area or ridge of land where the water flows towards a main river. Rain and precipitation flow into small tributaries and small rivers, which then flow to a main river. The main river of our watershed is the Kennebecasis River. The Kennebecasis River starts from the outflow of Hamilton Lake, located near Mechanic Settlement in the hills of the Fundy Highlands, and flows south through Portageville, Penobscot, Sussex, Appahock, Norton, and Hampton. The bottom of the Kennebecasis watershed is located in Hampton, but the Kennebecasis River doesn't stop here. It keeps flowing south, growing larger and deeper, and eventually empties into the St. John River just outside of the city of St. John, before it completes its journey to the Bay of Fundy. Our watershed is where the mighty Kennebecasis River is born. By the time the Kennebecasis River reaches Hampton, it has grown wider and deeper for over 95 kilometers thanks to 3 major river systems, which are Trout Creek, Smiths Creek, and the Millstream River. Trout Creek is a very fast, cold water stream that is fed by many underground springs. This river flows right through the town of Sussex and is a popular place to swim for many people. Rock outcrops such as the Bluff can be easily seen while driving through this area of the watershed. Some communities in this watershed include Waterford, Dutch Valley, and Wards Creek. Smiths Creek moves more slowly than Trout Creek because it flows through one long and wide valley. From the air, it looks like a twisted maze of oxbows, which are extreme snake-like turns, as it makes its way southwest through a broad expanse of agricultural fields. Smiths Creek starts in Cornhill and flows south through communities such as Newtown, Knightville, and Smiths Creek before entering the main stem of the Kennebecasis River in Roachville. The Millstream River travels through forests and agricultural properties. Starting above the head of Millstream, it flows south towards Berwick and empties into the Kennebecasis River in Appahock, just south of Sussex. Now that you know what the Kennebecasis watershed is and where it is located in New Brunswick, we need your help to take care of it. We all need clean water to drink, and animals like fish and other aquatic life need clean water in which to live. If we are careless and do things that can make the water dirty or too warm, then wildlife and people won't be healthy. The KWRC, or Kennebecasis Watershed Restoration Committee, is a group of people who have been dedicated to restoring and conserving the Kennebecasis River and its tributaries since 1994. We do this by 1. Offering educational programs to teach people about the Kennebecasis watershed, the environmental issues we face, and how we can all take care of it. 2. Restoring wildlife habitat and unhealthy stream banks by planting trees and cleaning up garbage. And 3. Monitoring the health of the river by collecting water samples to check how clean the water is and recording the presence of wildlife. If you would like to help the KWRC keep the watershed clean and healthy, check out our website for volunteer opportunities, workshops, and events that you can participate in.
Check out our next video where we teach you about fish habitat and how you can learn to read the river to find that awesome fishing spot where you're going to catch the big one. To help you try to remember all the information in this video so that you don't forget anything when you go fishing, check out the link in the description to our worksheet that you can fill out and test out your knowledge.